Hello everyone, this is Siddhi Kapoor and you are watching me on NDTV Who's That 360, and we have the most gorgeous and the most stunning beauty with us, Sangeeta Vijlani, and we are going to get into a quick rapid fire with her.
My God.
Okay, so my first question, you were crowned as Miss India in 1980. So वो experience ने आपके पूरे career को कैसे shape करा?
I think that was a stepping stone towards my modeling career, and that got me recognition, and I got the confidence to then move forward, and I got a lot of brands. And once you're acknowledged as a Femina Times of India Miss Universe, Miss India Universe, I mean, things just started flowing in because you're splashed on the front page of the newspaper and the magazines, and there's a visibility, and that also gives you confidence, like I said. And of course, I was so happy to be modeling. It just happened to me actually. Modeling was ho gaya.
Yeah.
And I really enjoyed that space. And it's very encouraging for a lot of girls who are now taking part in these contests. And I think it's a wonderful platform.
So you have amazing skin and it's amazing to see how you maintained yourself. तो क्या है आपका fitness regime? Something that you want to share with all the aspiring girls out there.
So basically, what you put into your mouth is very important. What you eat is what you are, and what you do is also what you are. So एक routine जब आप follow करते हो, and you balance your life. Plus, I do yoga, I do meditation, I also go to the gym. तो वो सब करती हूँ, तो उसको अंदर की बैलेंस और आउटर बैलेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. और आजकल की लाइफस्टाइल ऐसी है कि इतने प्रेशर्स हैं लोगों को और इतना unbalanced lifestyle हो गया. So I think it's very important to balance the inner and the outer.
Right. So तो अब आप दिल्ली आए हो एक इवेंट के लिए. So क्या binge eat करने वाले हो? You know, what are you going to?
दिल्ली की चाट, of course. My God, can't go without that. छोले भटूरे, everything.
Okay, so you worked with some of the iconic actors in Bollywood. कोई experience, any memorable experience that you want to share जो याद आता है आपको? Something that you laugh about, कि वो
So there was this. There's so many actually. Laugh about is a naughty thing. Is Sanjay Dutt. तो मेरी पहले दिन थी शूटिंग पे और he used to always pull pranks. He is known for his pranks. तो मैं जैसे ही आई सेट पर तो मैं वहाँ खड़ी थी सब लोगों के साथ और मुझे देख के सब स्माइल कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी स्माइल कर रही हूँ सिंपल एंड ऑल. इट वाज अ फ्यूनरल सीन और समथिंग एंड जस्ट स्टैंडिंग देयर इन माय सलवार कमीज एंड smiling, and suddenly one man comes to me and he comes in a drunk man. He comes and starts falling on me, and so then I move away, and then I was like, and then he starts falling towards me, so I move away, and then he gets very aggressive, so I moved away, and I kind of literally moved, and then he started chasing me, and I have ran to the dressing room. ऐसे भागी हूँ मैं और सब मुझे कह रहे हैं, my hairdresser, my makeup, सब भाग रहे. संगीता don't, because I guess they knew. हाँ तो मैं जो भागी हूँ और मैंने जाके दरवाजा बंद कर दिया ड्रेसिंग रूम का एंड दे बैंगिंग खोलो. आई वाज लाइक नो, आई एम नॉट ओपनिंग द डोर. एंड देन आई गॉट टू नो ही इज वन ऑफ द आर्टिस्ट एंड उस्मान, हिज नेम इज उस्मान एंड ही इज मतलब अ फेमस प्रैंक पुलर. तो संजू ने उसको मेरे पीछे लगा दिया था. So that's what.
Okay, and कोई advice that you want to give to women who want to enter showbiz or maybe who want to get into these beauty contests?
Well, I think everybody should. Nowadays, it's not just girls or young girls. There are also the misses who are taking part, and the Mrs. Universe is also happening now, which is such a wonderful platform because just because you're married doesn't mean your life ends there. So I think it is so encouraging for women, and women are already going out there and doing so much. And just be yourself, be confident, and just take pride in who you are. I think that's what. And if you're honest and truthful and real, I think that energy just comes across. Yeah, it comes across.
Very well said. So any social media creator or any social media personality that you follow for the content? कोई ऐसा creator या influencer जो आपको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है?
So I follow a lot of dance videos. So I follow Shamang Davar and his students a lot. I like all the forms of dance that they do, and I think dance expresses so much in their body. So I think one of them is Puneet Chima, who I just recently did a song with. So I really love his movement and his form because he just doesn't dance, he dances from his soul. And you feel that.
Yeah.
So I was so inspired by
And
that.
if you are not following her on social media, you should do that today because her feed is full of amazing, beautiful pictures and videos. And really. So, any favorite actor in Bollywood from the current lot that you really like?
Ranveer Singh, I love his energy, I love his movies, I just love him.
The vibe.
I just love him.
Yeah. Okay, last question. What's next for you? क्या plan है?
What's next for me is going on the stage and talking about my skin, and it's just about how lifestyle affects your body and skin and how you should take care of it. So I think that has become so important. Lifestyle, unbalanced or unhealthy lifestyle has become so common, and it's in these times it's affecting everybody's health.
Yeah.
So I think that is one of the most important things that everybody should look into and take care of their mind, body, spirit. I've learned that from my father, who's my guru, who taught me how to meditate and do yoga and take care of the inner stuff. So that I think is most important for everybody, and I would say that please take care of that.
Most important mantra, take care of your skin and yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you so much. Lovely speaking to you. Thank you.